Hi all, welcome to my channel Studies in English Literature and Language. And today, as usual, I shall discuss one of the interesting topics related to English literature and language. And before starting my topic, let me request you to kindly subscribe to this channel and like the videos. Hi, my friends and my students. Today's topic of discussion is academic writing. And in my discussion, I shall discuss the definition of academic writing, the features of academic writing, and the types of academic writing, and about academic situation. So let's begin. So at first, I am giving a kind of working definition of academic writing. Academic writing is a formal style of writing through which ideas, thoughts, information, and research are communicated to the scholastic world of academia. It is clear, analytical, concise, and supported by evidences and data. So, this is the working definition of academic writing. Now, I shall discuss about the academic writing situation. In each and every type of academic writing, academic situation is given priority, and by academic situation, the following matters are given priority or are attended. And what are those situations? Firstly, the content of writing. Secondly, audience, that means for whom the writer is writing. That means the audience of the writing. And next, the purposes of writing. That means what are the objectives of writing, for which purpose the writer is writing. These three situations are given priority in an academic writing. Next, what are the types of academic writing? Generally, academic writing is divided into two classes. Firstly, student academic writing, and secondly, expert academic writing. And what is student academic writing? Student academic writing, that means it is a kind of academic writing in which the audience is the teachers and the professors. That means students write, and the audience of their writing is the teachers and the professors. The purpose of writing is to show one's learning. That means how much the students have grasped the content of their syllabus will be demonstrated in the academic writing. And what are the types of this type of academic writing? That means which genres belong to student academic writing? Assignments, university or board question answer sheets are the key areas of this type of academic writing. And next comes expert academic writing. In expert academic writing, the audience is the researchers and other experts. And the purpose of this type of academic writing is to demonstrate new knowledge or learning. And next, what are the types or what are the genres of this type of academic writing? Journal articles, research findings, surveys, and others belong to this second category. And now comes the general features of academic writing. Academic writing generally has 6 features. And what are those features? Firstly, it is structured. Secondly, it is evidenced. Thirdly, critical. Fourthly, objective. Fifthly, precision. And Last but not the least is the formal. And now I shall discuss in details each and every feature of academic writing. Firstly, structured. Each and every type of academic writing follows a certain kind of structure. As for example, in case of paragraph writing, there should be an introduction followed by body that describes the main theme and conclusion. Similarly, in the case of report writing, the structure is generally as follows. Firstly, there is a kind of introduction, then there is the methodology, then there is the findings, then the discussion or interpretation of those findings, and lastly conclusions, and after that there is the reference section. So by structured we mean that there is a kind of method. Next comes the second feature, that means evidenced. In the case of academic writing, different evidences are provided in support of the certain data or information mentioned in the writing, and these evidences are as follows. Firstly, quotation from books or newspapers or articles or edited volumes or seminar or conference proceedings, etc. Secondly, statements from interviews. Thirdly, data published in gazettes, and nowadays video clippings from YouTube or different channels are also provided as evidences. Video, audio clippings, etc. are also provided as evidences. Next comes another characteristics, that is the critical. Academic writing should be critical. There should be arguments and logic. The arguments should be related to the main topic of the genre, and there should be cohesion among these arguments. Next comes objective. In academic writing, everything should be impersonal or objective. There should not be any description or presentation through the subjective lens of the writer. Everything that is subjective should be avoided or presented in an objective fashion. For example, the words I observe should be avoided and presented as it is observed. So, subjective I should be presented in an objective manner in an academic writing. Next comes precision. In academic writing, there should not be any digression or extravagances of facts. Everything should be related with the topic of the academic writing. Anything that is irrelevant should not be mentioned within the orbit or within the body of academic writing. Each and every word and sentence should be functional and related to the main topic of writing. Actually, there should be a kind of economy in the matter of using words and phrases in an academic writing piece. Next comes formal. That means academic writing should be formal. And what type of style should be used in an academic writing? Contractions should not be used in the academic writing. Rather, the full formal version of words should be used. As for example, in place of don't, do not should be used. Personal pronouns should not be used in academic writing, and the writers should avoid overgeneralization. By overgeneralization, the writers should avoid such words as each, every, all, etc. And slangs and colloquial words, idioms should not be used in the academic writing, and academic vocabulary should be maintained. And next, as academic writing is not a simple matter of presentation, so in the academic writing there is arguments, so the style or the sentence structure in which academic writing should be written is the complex sentence structure. That means complex sentences should be used in place of simple sentences. These are the main features of academic writing, and so far I have covered most of the features of academic writing in my discussion. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video till the end attentively. And if you like this video, kindly press the like button and also please subscribe this channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot.